Tassa Araham Samma Sambuddho Bhagava Buddham Bhagavantam Abhivademi Swakhato Bhagavata Dhammo Dhamma Namasami Supatipanno Bhagavato Sāvaka Sangho Sangha Namami. Before our starting our seminar, we take the meditation for 2 minutes, about 2 minutes. So we have to take relax, and then please close your eye about 2 minutes, and then focus on our Buddha teaching, Anapana Satipatthana, that is, breathe in, breathe out. Focus on your tip or your nose. Relax your mind and body. Every breathe in, every breathe out, we have to note. Breathe in, breathe out. Focus on the tip or your nose. Naturally breathe in. Naturally breathe out. Not slowly, not quickly. Now, time up for meditation for 2 minutes. Thank you very much. So I would like to introduce myself. Today, I'm a moderator. I'm Venerable Kunla, PhD candidate in IBSc, MCU, Machula Buddhist University, Thailand. So, first of all, our topic is Buddhism and environment, healing Mother Nature. So we have the 3 speakers. The first speaker is Venerable Dasa. Is a MA philosophy from Sri Lanka, now PhD candidate in IBSc, MCU. Second speaker is Bhikkhuni Dolly Anti, MA Buddhist Study, now PhD candidate in MCU, IBSc. Now that speaker is Venerable Pinyasara. He got MA degree, English program, MCU. Now he is a PhD candidate in MBSc, MCU. So the first speaker I would like to invite, he is Venerable Sihadaja. Please welcome to speak up.
Hello, good evening, all my friends. My name is Sihadaja. I come from Myanmar. Now I'm a BSc student. Today the topic is Buddhism and environment. This topic we have similar about the Buddhism and environment. About this topic, I would like to start with Venerable PhD Dhamma Mee Eain from Sri Lanka. He said that Buddhism belongs to the spiritual development, including loving kindness, meditation, mindfulness meditation. Development, spiritual development, development. Last month, our university made the planning tree in our university for the all students. This is for students. This is for new generation. This is for environment. This is for the world. Nowadays, the world became warm because reduced carbon dioxide. Because reduced carbon dioxide, the world became warm. So every other person, each other should make protection for environment. So this ceremony is very cultured. This is an example for other people, as well as for our university students. One of the people made the plans for environment, for our country, for the future, for the new generation. There is no plan, there is no, we cannot get the carbon outside for the world. We show protection for the world. Even the Buddha relate to the forest. Firstly, the Buddha, despite for sorrow and suffering, so he want to find that the liberation, the way of suffering, reduce the suffering. Firstly, the Buddha where go? The Buddha go to the forest. Why did he try to forest? The forest gave the stability. The forest gave the security. The forest gave purification of mind. Forest gave us many beneficial action for the world. For example, nowadays all over the world, crisis, coronavirus, most people cannot control, most countries cannot control to the coronavirus. It's very far, many people die all over the world challenge. At the time, where do you go? Where did you go? What can you do that? We shall go to forest. Forest coronavirus cannot come to the forest. You eat fruit. You sleep under the tree. You take the meditation. Sooner or later you will be arhat. It is sure. So environment is a lot of beneficial for the people, for the world. So the connection, what is the connection? What is the element between Buddhism and environment? I found three elements in one of the articles online. They are right thought, situation, social discipline, mindfulness. In addition, right thought. The Buddha say, "Todo attana janati." Hate is not beneficial for the world, for the environment. You can see the elephant. He's very angry. So he made the action for the environment, for his environment. For other people, it's not beneficial. His broken car. Something like that. And over the world now, coronavirus crisis. So most people, some people say that COVID-19 where it come from? Some people say coronavirus comes from China. And this is a hate speech. This hate speech. We shot it. We can find how can we solution together to remove the coronavirus from over the world. Oh, this coronavirus comes from Chinese. Chinese, how do you responsibility for the coronavirus? Do we short it? Use. We short it thought. This is the right thought. Wrong thought. Wrong thought. It is not beneficial. It is beneficial. It's not beneficial for the world. We have to take in for the beneficial. So the Buddha say, "Todo attana janati." Please keep the mind. Please keep the mind. We should do the action, loving kindness action, rather than dosas. So the Buddha Dhamma can support into the environment to be free from suffering. Again, case one, the social discipline. The Buddha say, "Where train in discipline that to be called peace." Subhasita Sayawasa and Mangala Sutta. All officials say that please borrow mat to protection to the coronavirus. Please wash your hand. Please stay home. This is for environment. But some people obey, some people don't obey. So we should obey for protection to our environment. If we want to live to our environment, we should protest we should obey to the regulation of the world. For example, WHO society, they always decline. How can we live during the COVID-19? We should obey the regarding to the Subhasita Sayawasas. Once again, mindfulness. Mindful. The Buddha say, "Apamadena Sampadita," walk out deliverance with mindfulness in your life. Nowadays, coronavirus is not yet the end. He keep going with it strong. We don't forget. He's not there yet. He's going. As well as in all over the world, all people crisis, basic crisis, education crisis. Healthy crisis. Most people despite about the COVID-19. So how can we do that? How shall we do that? Based on loving kindness meditation, based on mindfulness, we shall set loving kindness. May all free from suffering. May all free from COVID-19. May all free from the crisis. Buddhism teach sociology, social psychology, ethics, many kinds of subjects. All the Buddhists suggest can support to the environment, Our Thailand, Myanmar, Cambodia, Vietnam, Japan, all countries. My conclusion: our life is our environment is our life. To be beautiful mind, create beautifully the environment. Thank you so much. Thank you. Some mistake, please forgive me. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Venerable Siha Prasad, for your very enlightened speech, very meaningful, and we're talking about the environment.